All rise because things are about to get interesting. Judge Stevens is kicking off another day in court, and you can already tell someone's name is about to be butchered.
31514, you're charged with the state jail felony of illegal possession of controlled substance, and 23 CR 1501, you're charged with the third degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. And this 23 CR 1501 occurred on June 29th of last year, the evading arrest or detention. So I guess she posted a bond, and then in a month.
Even before we get into the case, the judge is teaching phonics. But let's be real, when a courtroom lesson starts with a pronunciation debate, you know it's going to be one of those hearings.
You're arrested. And drives. Is that right? So what are we doing about getting into order again?
Everybody disappointed because it didn't link up to our case, and so it was supposed to be a drug court case, but we just planned and we just had one for which points on our people, and we just had.
Are you able to hire a lawyer? Well, you probably not. Are you working somewhere? Good. You give them an indigent form here to fill out right quickly, please. Sit right over there, sir, and fill that out as quickly as you can. And if you're unable to hire one, I'll appoint one for you. You need a lawyer to help you. This is a mess. Simply and
Relations form. Just giving it to see.
So here's the setup. Our defendant is facing two serious felonies, one for evading arrest and another for drug possession. Not exactly the kind of double feature anyone wants. The real question, can he convince the court this was just a bad streak? Or is this a pattern?
Okay, who's probation officer on this one? Let me see the one that's on probation. Well, I don't have anything that reflects that he's doing for it. I don't think this is good.
That's just what she the guys in this recording that starts to.
Well, if there's a revocation that needs to be done, let's get it over.
Who's next about the status and progress, and reviewing, because I'm filling in for the officer that has
Okay.
supervises him, and Mr. Frazier did tell Ms. Financial he was going to remit payment. He never has, on probation.
Okay, it's a money thing.
As in,
He's not failing drug tests or anything like that, is he?
no, sir. It's just technicals. So he hasn't done the community service. He hasn't taken defensive driving. He remains unemployed. And he's failed to make payments. He hasn't done anything on probation since he was placed on probation himself or something.
Okay.
Making
I'm concerned we have done.
Okay. I understand. Cynthia Mosley, while we're waiting, let's get Cynthia Mosley.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And we're back to whatever it is. Mr. Frazier, come on. So, how does he? You get tested?
Yeah,
He's fine. You ready to go?
Well, I.
Swear me in, and then if you don't fill it out correctly when you're under oath, you're facing a crime. So make sure that you're accurate here. We rely on this. Honesty and truthfulness is what we rely on here in this room. Is all this true? I mean, is your head around? It changes a little bit from time to time. Well, that's okay. Things change. I don't expect you to run up here and say, "Oh, it changed a few dollars. I'm going to change the papers." But this is generally correct.
Oof. You can almost feel the judge's patience evaporate. Probation is basically a second chance on a silver platter. And when you blow that off, judges do not take kindly to it. What do you think? Should leniency still apply here?
Well, what's the problem? You got zero income. No, no, this says zero income. Well, that's income. If you get paid, that's income. How much do you get paid like a month? Okay. What's the average? 200? How old are you, sir? Okay. Well, are you going to school? What are you doing? Is that it for your education or? Okay. Yeah. I want to go to the moon, but the question is, what's realistic? And maybe that's realistic, but what are you doing about that other than just dreaming about it? You got to convert that into action. You got to do it. That's what you want to do it. But they're not going to come find you. Hey, we heard you. We saw you on YouTube, and you interested. Well, we want. No, you got to go out and get the job. Okay. You got to get out and do it. Um, and sitting around and getting zero income, hey, if you're not spending time in school, you need to worry about your career and not wasting your life and your time. And if you're in trouble here, this costs money. This is drugs, a drug case, which is serious. I mean, you're looking at up to 2 years in state jail, and it's a felony. So you say you average about 200 a month?
And there it is. The judge drops a life lesson bomb. He's not just dishing out legal advice, he's giving motivational coaching. It's half courtroom, half TED Talk right now. Anyone else getting flashbacks to a parent's tough love speech?
Couple things. Stay out of trouble. And get your body in gear. And work and get an education. At 19, it's time to quit, frittering, hanging around with drugs, and not getting anything done in your life. Would you agree? Yes. Well, all right, I'll declare him indigent, and attorney will be appointed to represent you. Did you make good grades in school, sir? Mine is a terrible thing to waste. You ever hear that? Did you ever hear that? If you're smart, get out there and get an education as well as work. And then, make something out of your life other than getting in trouble, which I think you can do. Okay. Look, but you've got to do it. Not me. I can only inspire you. You've got to do the work. Everything. As everybody on the planet. It works. That's the same recipe for everybody. Yeah. And what's worse is you seem capable. I hate to see a waste of capability. Do your best and quit making bad choices like that. All right, release that. Thank you. Do better. You can do better. All right, we're in short recess. You're ready for trial. Thank you. Thanks, Corey. See you, buddy.
This is the heart of the hearing. The judge is pleading with this 19-year-old to turn things around. Notice how he shifts tone here, less judicial, more fatherly. It's moments like these that show why courtroom reality clips hit so hard emotionally.